So I decided to do another video of that Phantom convertible. Check it out, check it out, check it out. It's got that double R on there. Just want you to get a close up. Tell me this sucker is not bad. Look at that grill. And you notice these cars, the emblem pops in and out of the hood. As you can see, it's tucked. Stretch. Can't tell me that's not a bad car. Stretch, 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 stretch. Look at the inside. Look at all that wood. Thought I could give you a little better video shot of it. Check out how the window, the little triangle window goes right there. Suicide doors. And with these cars, when the rim spins, the hub stays in place. So that double R stays just like that when the car's in motion. Yeah, you gotta have a nice pocketbook to have one of these. You can't be no nickel and dimer. Just wanted to give you a better shot of it. That's a beautiful car. Inside view again. Back seats out. Convertible. It's a rare car, man. You don't find these bad boys. Well, you find them, but you're gonna spend a nice penny for them. Yeah, just thought I'd do another little something about the Phantom Coupe Convertible.